Morning, everyone. My name is Faulk. I'm a regional extension livestock agent with the LSU AgCenter. We're here at the Hill Farm Research Station right near Homer today. We're going to be talking briefly about choosing replacement heifers. Now, here at the Hill Farm, while we are a research herd, our herd is not purebred. We do run a commercial herd. It's primarily Angus and Charolais cross cows. That makes up the base of our genetics, and we're crossing these cattle with Brangus bulls. And so we're here today choosing replacement heifers. Now, when you're choosing replacement heifers, we're going to talk about a number of different factors that come into play when choosing some commercial-based replacement heifers. But for us here at the Hill Farm, we're wanting a productive heifer. She's got to be structurally correct. She's got to have a good disposition. She's got to be able to adequately use the forage we have available, and she's got to be very productive. We talked earlier about the types of heifers that we like to choose, and we've talked about a lot of structural issues, disposition, and other things. One thing we hadn't mentioned yet is the need here at the Hill Farm to have a little bit of Brahman influence in our cow herd. Now, we're in North Louisiana. We're on the Arkansas line in North Louisiana, so we don't have quite the heat problems and insect problems you'll see down on the Gulf Coast, but we still have our fair share. So when we're selecting heifers, it's not an ultimate decision maker, but we do, if we have our preference, want some Brahman influence characteristics on these replacement heifers. It helps with the heat tolerance, helps with longevity of the cow, and it helps with insect resistance as well. And so whenever we're selecting commercial replacement heifers, we do trend toward, we'll give a special consideration to heifers that show those more Brahman influence characteristics.